Managing invoices in the food and beverage manufacturing industry can be a real pain point. Between matching invoices, dealing with split deliveries, and handling discrepancies, finance teams often spend countless hours on manual tasks. While traditional ERP systems like Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central already offer some automation, most businesses still require manual intervention when handling more complex scenarios, such as partial orders or item variances. But now, there's a new opportunity to streamline your processes with AI-powered tools like Microsoft Copilot. With Copilot, invoice matching can be fully automated, taking care of everything from matching line items to purchase orders, flagging discrepancies, and updating vendor records. Imagine freeing up your finance team to focus on strategic work instead of tedious invoice reconciliation. Here's how it works. As soon as an invoice is received, Copilot automatically scans and compares every line item against the purchase order. It even identifies when items are grouped or split differently, reducing the need for manual corrections. And if any discrepancies arise, it flags them based on predefined tolerance levels, so your team only needs to focus on the important issues. It doesn't just stop there. By integrating with Microsoft Dataverse, you can unify data across finance, procurement, and operations, giving AI a more complete picture of your transactions. This means even more accurate matching and greater efficiency across your entire payables process. And once the invoices are processed, Power BI helps you gain real-time insights into payment cycles, vendor performance, and cash flow. It's an invaluable tool for keeping your finances on track and optimizing vendor relationships. No more guesswork, just data-driven decisions. If you're still manually handling your invoices, this is a game changer. By adopting AI tools like Copilot, you can reduce manual errors, speed up payments, and take your finance processes to the next level. To learn more about how AI-powered invoice matching can transform your business, check out our latest AI guide. We dive into all the features and benefits and show how you can get started today.